Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how I make potato. I don't know what to call it. Let's call it coconut curry chicken with potatoes. It tastes so delicious. I hope you try this. Stay tuned. In a preheated pan, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I don't need much because I'm going to use coconut milk for this recipe. Add the chicken and some salt and start frying until the chicken have fried properly. When you notice that the chicken have fried properly, set aside. I'll be using the same pan to fry my vegetable. I'll be using the little oil in the pan to fry my onion, spring onion and the scotch bonnet. I'll be adding curry powder. I will stir. Add white pepper powder. And I will stir for about 30 seconds. Then I will add the sliced carrot and minced bell peppers. I will also stir. I'll be stirring this thing for about 1 minute. Then I will set aside the mixed vegetables. Same pan, I'll be adding my coconut milk. I'll also add some water. Add some salt and also taste for salt. I added a stock cube. Then I'll add crayfish. You can skip this crayfish if you don't like it. Then I added the potato. Then I'll cover and allow to boil. Once the potato is half done, it's almost done, then I will be adding the fried chicken. I'll also add the fried mixed vegetables. Then I'll cover and allow to simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes.